After you've installed your motherboard, your cards, and your processor, you can move on to your drives. You can select any number of configurations here, but we decided to go with 3 hard drives and 2 optical drives. All of our drives are SATA, which is the method of connection. You may see some older drives marked as IDE. Our primary hard drive is a 150GB Western Digital 10,000 RPM Raptor. We'll be installing Windows 7 and our primary applications like Adobe CS5 to this drive. The other 2 drives are 7200 RPM storage drives at 1TB each. We'll use these to store all of our video footage and our other files. This particular case has handy pull-out hard drive trays. We unscrew the tray, pull it out by the handle, and then slide the drive into the tray. Secure the drive in the tray with the provided screws. Then carefully slide the tray back into the case. We did this 2 more times and spaced out the drives so they have a little room to breathe. Hard drives can get very warm and the heat can shorten the drive's lifespan. We also decided to have 2 SATA optical drives, a Blu-ray burner and a DVD burner. To install our optical drives, we needed to remove the front panels from the case. Every case is a little bit different, but after removing the panels, you'll probably need to twist and force out the metal blockers from the bays. Watch out for sharp corners here. Then simply slide each of your optical drives into the bays and line them up so they're flush with the front of the case. On our case, the bays have a button you press to secure them in place with friction. Other cases require that you screw down the drives. Using the SATA cables included with your motherboard, attach one end to the drive and then feed them to the SATA headers on your motherboard. We made sure to attach our primary hard drive to the SATA 0 port for easier initial booting. So to review, decide on the number and types of drives you want on your PC. Securely mount hard drives using screws or case mount friction. Make sure drives have enough room to breathe. Remove external drive bay panels carefully. Connect all of your drives with SATA cables to the motherboard. For the IDG News Service, I'm Nick Barber.